Hi, this is Accutek Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a Isuzu D-Max limited edition Centurion. It's a number 097, which is a really nice limited edition unit. As you can see here, we've fitted a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this. This will allow you to use the volume control, the up and down track on the steering wheel controls, which is a nice feature. This has also got a rear camera which we've wired up. It was already on here. You can press it and you've got a rear camera. You can see the tow bar there, which is a nice feature, and it also works when you put it in reverse. There we are, and you've got the these lines that you can set up yourself if you wanted to. This unit also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If I go into Apple CarPlay, there we are. It's got your Apple features with the new feature of split screen and the widgets that's available. If I go back home, so we've also got digital radio, and we've also got FM, and it's a really nice unit, really easy to use. Volume control on here on the front panel as well. It's all been installed with a really nice fascia to fit the D-Max. Anyway, if you'd like to have this done on your D-Max, whether it's a Centurion or not, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.